Hey guys, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a brokerage 450 Sundancer. It's up at Lake Texoma right now. A lot of upgrades on this boat and recent improvements on it. Great boat. Let's take a look. Starting back here on the swim platform, that is hydraulic. It does have those pop-up cradles for a jet ski. It did put all new upholstery in it a few years ago and a brand new cockpit table. Upgrade the stereo and the TVs and the speakers on the boat. It does have underwater lights on it going on right now. You can see I got these back wing doors open, so you got a massive sun pad if you want it, but real easy to lock these things in. Swing them forward, they're going to lock you into the cockpit so you're safe. Also new sea deck recently installed. You see that real wood high gloss table on it, very nice. Got color changing lights all up in the hardtop. Speakers have been replaced. TV, that's a new TV. It does have cockpit air and heat. We do have the Kenya grill down below, so you can cook out here in an open air cockpit. We do have a replaced refrigerator down below too. Great storage compartments under both of those, and there's a sink there, a little ice bucket, and a trash can right there. You see some more AC vents blowing over here on the passengers. Good storage down there. This is Zeus, so you have the sky hook, auto heading, joystick control. I just docked this boat, and what a breeze, even in 15-mile-per-hour wind. Part of the stereo upgrade down there is all the zone speaker controls. AC over here for the driver. Opening sunroof switches. The bow vent shade switches are there. Gonna use that. Another AC vent for the helm. Dual Ray Marine 12-inch screens. Vessel view on it. About 850 hours on the boat. Everything's serviced on it. It's up here at Lake Texoma right now. There's open power vents to get some natural airflow through here if you want it. You do have the opening skylight up above for sunset cruises. Upholstery looks amazing. They did a really good job with this new upholstery in here. Cockpit is all brand new. Gorgeous boat. If you like the coupe, you like the fun of outside with some AC, but down below I really like this layout. Great for a couple because you have a private forward stateroom with a pocket door, so you do have a big salon seating area that pulls out and makes into a bed. Control panels back there. I call this the media room, but that sofa does pull out flat into a big bed. So obviously privacy curtains. Got a couple floating ottomans to flip around. But back there is another brand new big massive TV. I'd kind of call this the media room. But if you got guests aboard, I would put them down there. Privacy curtains. Did have a new refrigerator replaced in it not too long ago. Great galley, a lot of storage space. Those cabinets are huge. A microwave, double electric burner, big old sink, and tons of deep storage pockets everywhere on this boat. Love the wood. That's the door right there going to the day head. I like what they did on this boat too, is they separated the day head from the shower on the other side. Let's step up here and take a look. Walking into the owner suite. This is a power bed right now. It's folded up forward to give us more walking room during the day. We're going to get cedar line closets on both sides, 2 air conditioners down below, 1 in the cockpit. Controls for that, wood blinds, great storage, big skylight if you want natural light in here. Another storage locker, steps to make it easy to get on, in and out of the bed, or make the bed from either side of the bed. Really nice. Here's what I was talking about, a gorgeous tile floor. There's a door going in right there by the galley, so you got a day access. Great sink, AC in here, exhaust vent, a lot of good lighting on it. So this is going to be your head. Right across the hall is going to be a separate shower, tile floor, all fiberglass, molded in. You got a little seat in there, you got a window, an exhaust vent on it. There's your shower head. So it's nice, you're not steaming up the whole bathroom if somebody wants to take a shower aboard the boat. This boat is ready to sell. It's up at Lake Texoma. If you're looking for something like this or any other boats I may have available, please give me a call. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. You can reach me at 214-244-5535. Thank you.